Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use MyTunes AI music generator step by step. Let's get started. First, go to your App Store or Google Play and download MyTunes AI music generator. And once installed, open the app and there's no sign in required, but you can create an account if you want. Next, tap Library, then click the gear icon to see options. You can do a free upgrade and create an account here, and after that, click Done. Next, go to AI Music. Type in a song description, for example, like this. And you can also choose instrumental or vocal mode. And after that, you can hit Create and let the MyTunes AI generate your song. You can also go to AI covers and create a voice. You can upload a recorded voice or sing a song. The app needs about 7 minutes to craft your AI voice. You can also train your voice by reading phrases or using custom audio files, making your AI voice more accurate. In AI cover, choose a voice for your cover. Options include famous characters or celebrities. Also, you can select a song from YouTube by pasting the link and generating a cover with your AI voice. Other tools include Reverse. You can also manage the library. All generated music appears in the library where you can play, edit, and organize your creation. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.